This is Rebecca Navarez, and this is my third set of book critiques. My first book is A Child's Calendar, written by John Updike and illustrated by Trina Shart-Hyman. This poetry children's book displays the change of seasons month by month in pictures and in the monthly poems for each page. The poems describe the changes in weather, as well as what people do during those changes. I chose this book as my featured text because it gives a unique sense of the seasons changing based not only on the natural changes, but also on the changes within family activities. For my first lesson, I will do social studies for the first grade. Students will make a chart on Canvas to show the holidays they celebrate during the 12 months of the year. Students will then display their work on Empatico with another classroom, partner classroom, in another part of the world. They will show a student that they are paired up with in the other classroom what they celebrate and describe how they do it, and then the other student will do the same. So here is an example of what a student could make for their chart of the months. And then they could share this on this website called Impacto. And theoretically speaking, I would have connected with the classroom, and the teacher and I would have worked together to be able to have the children prepare together and then interact individually, and then also reflect on what they learned. For my second lesson, it will be a science lesson for the first grade. Students will use Adobe Spark to construct a storyboard describing the seasonal patterns of the state of their choice. Students should all have different states. Students will then share their storyboards with their class buddy from the partner class on Empatico. Their class buddy will talk and present on the weather in their country as well. Brown Girl Dreaming, written by Jacqueline Woodson. In this poetic biography, Jacqueline Woodson describes what it was like for her as she grew up as an African American in the 1960s and 1970s. The poems speak wonders to her soul and how she felt she was heard through her writing. The Right Word, Roget and His Thesaurus, written by Jennifer Bryant and illustrated by Melissa Sweet. This book is about Peter Mark Roget, the creator of the most widely used Roget's Thesaurus. It describes his life as he began to write his own book of words. The Talking Eggs, written by Robert D. Sansucci and illustrated by Jerry Pickney. This southern folktale follows little Blanche through her journey with an old auntie that she bumps into one day. Auntie helps her feel better about her evil stepmother and sister with her magic eggs. First, the Egg, written and illustrated by Laura Vacarda Seeger. This picture book talks about which came first, the chicken or the egg. Each page has different cutouts that transform a tadpole to a frog or a caterpillar to a butterfly. Alma and How She Got Her Name, written and illustrated by Juan Martinez Neal. This realistic fiction book is about a girl named Alma Sofia Esperanza Jose Pura Candela, who does not like her long name. Her father tells her the beautiful story of how she got it and why it is so unique and special to her. The Rough Patch, written and illustrated by Brian Lies. The Rough Patch is about a fox who loses his dog. He was very close to his dog, so he takes it very hard. But soon he starts to move on and enjoy the thing he loves best again. Radiant Child, written and illustrated by Javaka Steptoe. This book is about Jean-Michel Basquiat, a young artist in Puerto Rico. Through beautifully crafted pages, it tells the story of his childhood and how he began his career as an artist. Thank you.